Okay, the wait is over, and Samsung's most anticipated trifold phone is about to be revealed, and we finally have the official date. This thing is real, and it's going to completely change the foldable game. We've been waiting for years, but reports out of South Korea now confirm Samsung is set to show off its first triple folding device at the APEC summit in late October. Specifically, October 31st to November 1st. This is a limited exhibition first, meaning the heads of state and big tech execs get the initial peek. But the real launch, that's rumored to follow quickly, hitting the Korean market as soon as November. Now, there are two numbers you need to know, and one of them is kind of shocking. First, the production run is tiny. Samsung is reportedly only making around 50,000 units initially. That is less than a third of what they usually put out for a major phone launch. What does that tell us? It's a high-end, exclusive test run. And second, the price. Rumors are putting this monster at around $3,000 at launch. That's a huge number, but it immediately puts them in a heavyweight fight with Huawei, who is currently the only brand actually selling trifoldables, with their model sitting near $2,500. Samsung stepping into this trifold category is a massive deal, because now it's not just a curiosity, it's a product race. When this thing is fully unfolded, leaks show you get a massive tablet-like display, roughly 10 inches, but it folds down small enough to actually be portable. Look, this is not going to be for everyone, especially with that price tag and the limited stock. But if Samsung can bring the world-class polish and better software that we expect from them, this trifold could be the boldest move they've made since the original Galaxy Fold way back in 2019. The only question left is, will it come to the US? Leaks suggest yes, but expect a big price and very limited availability. So, are you spending $3,000 to get the first trifold? Or is this just a cool piece of tech you'll wait 2 generations for? Let me know in the comments below, and hit that like button if you're excited about a trifolding phone.